never have comfort if you are speaking against Biafra Liberation Army. Hello, my wonderful people. You are highly welcome. Welcome back to Barabas Gist. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, I beg you, may you not forget to give us a follow and not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as they hot. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell as they hot, and so they bring and they come. No be smart, you know. We'll go look into the matter where we get for hand today. They say one Biafra Liberation Army where they inside bush. He don't cry come outside. He talk say anybody wey dey inside the radio station or anywhere they talk against them, say that person that day no go get comfort. Say they must come after that person because a lot of guys are inside bush protecting the land, as you have said in this video. No be smart, you know. We are going to play you the video. May you settle down, watch am from beginning to end and hear everything wey him talk.
Your family will remain the same. Then you will know that there are many men in this bush who have left their comfort home. And that day, from that day, you open your nonsense mouth and talk nonsense against them, you will never have comfort in your life again. You will make sure that your life is unbearable. Idiot. Look at. You think we are here to look at Nigeria? Is it what you are thinking that Nigeria will be better? In your next war, you will die and come back and die and reincarnate for 100 years. Nigeria will even grow from worse to worse. It assuming Biafra did not free. You think you can save Nigeria? Nobody can redeem Nigeria. All these politicians have made agreement with the Western world to enrich themselves and their family. Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about your existence. All what they do is them ensuring that they are rich. They are them, all the richness, the wealth keep recycling in their family. Then I ask you, you say you are a good patronize or a good patriotism. Where are your children? Where are your children? Go and ask Peter Obi. Where is Peter Obi children? Tunumbu, where is your children? All of them are resided outside the country, then claim their love. All of their children are not in the country that are governed. Many of them, their company are not in the country, then claim their love. They created job opportunity to another people. You think these people care about you? Do you think they really care about you? All they care about is their money and their family. Accumulating enough money that will sustain their generation upon generation to fourth generation. To hell with you. Are they sovereign? Now who is sovereign? They can never buy fuel. Who is buying fuel? It is you. So whether they remove subsidy or not, it doesn't affect them. It is you that will queue up in filling station to buy fuel. It is you that do not have good road. If they are operating on the road, what did they use? They use shading. If you do not clear from road, they damage your life. Did they care about you? If you do not clear on the road they operate, when you hear you think it's a dead although they are already dead cops. If you did not clear on that road, the mopo, police, DSS, army, then carry, go stop you, go flock nonsense out of you, detain you. If they did not kill you, they haven't killed you, say you obstruct a governor or senator movement, who cares about you? If you fail to liberate yourself from this nonsense, you remain in poverty forever. You remain in a slave forever. I'm talking to Nigerians. I'm not talking to Biafra now. Because Biafra have already determined to be free. And that freedom is for sure. No negotiation, no bargaining. It is freedom or freedom. Freedom or freedom. Freedom in peaceful way or freedom in violent way, or in violent way, anyone you choose. It is freedom or freedom. I'm talking about Nigeria. Look at you. You were gathering and say, today if you did not deliver judgment, this heaven will fall. Nigeria will tremble. The Nigeria tremble. They know you as a noise maker. Hey, if you know be Obi, if you know be Obi, if you know be Obi, Obi goes nowhere. At the end, in the broad daylight, Senate announced the person that did not even come close to be a winner, Tunumbu. Do you do anything? Go and protest now. Do you know you have a right for protest? Peaceful protest is enshrined in Nigeria Constitution. Are you aware of that? You do peaceful protest in 2020. What happened? NSAS, what happened? Nigeria Army, Nigeria Police, Nigeria Navy, Nigeria Air Force, Nigeria Custom, Nigeria DSS, SSS, Nigeria, everything that lay hands on weapon came there and kill you. Have you forgotten? So you people have forgotten NSAS in Leggy Tollgate. NSAS, what happened? Those Nigeria youth that were there, did they owe any gun? Did they owe any stick? Did they owe any stone? Did they owe any iron? Did they owe any knife? What did they owe? Platform and Nigeria flag. Nigeria flag. Were they destroying livelihood? No. Were they destroying people property? No. Were they destroying killing and kidnapping? No. What happened? The same Nigeria, the same army. Do you know one thing in army? One old army is to protect life and property. Protect life and property and the territory of the country they are arming for. Now the same army who's supposed to protect the life of the citizen were the same army who took the life of their citizen. And you think Nigeria, go and protest now? Idiot. You people should go and protest. Then kill you in a broad daylight. This was the same thing they did to IPOB people. Ordinary protest, then come and kill us. Until you learn how to carry knife, pursue your senator, pursue your house of rep, pursue your chairman, your councillor, your commissioner, all of them. Until you pursue them and also make life unbearable for them, they will never respect you. So if you think that they will come, have you not been hearing about constitutional amendment? Every day they will find out how to amend constitution that will suit for them and their family. Every day, have you not seen one person will be in a seat in a government house, and it will be 20-something years to look at. If I want to calculate, look at Wike from chairman, local government chairman, he now become governor. From governor, he is now minister. From minister, who knows, he will now be senate. This is how they will be remaining in power until they're old and die. And as they are getting older, they are preparing their relative, they are preparing their family to take over. And you think they care about you? They don't give a damn about you, idiot. Until you learn how to carry weapon and pursue those who are making your life miserable, you will never have respect. You don't know this? You don't know this? That is why when they are talking to us today, they are talking to us with respect, because we are decided to take it upon ourselves to protect ourselves and our land. And we say enough is enough. It's no more come and kill as usual. You will come, we fight. There is a difference between somebody just come and slap you anytime he like. You come and slap you anytime. You just walk in and slap you and go. So, a moment that person comes again and you pull out fight, serious fight, that it is people that will come and separate, that person can never come to your house to think of slapping you. That is how this war is. You cannot do protest now. Do protest and see whether they will not kill you again. You don't say, do you know that as I'm talking to you now, there are so many you that were arrested during inside protests that are still in prison, no trial. I'm talking about Nigeria citizen. You are thinking that one day Nigeria will be better for you. Thunder fire you. All the blood of those people, innocent people that die, will destroy Nigeria. Do you think they will allow Nigeria to rest? The blood of Biafra killed for nothing, and the blood of their fellow Nigerians that were even talking, what was their demand? And SARS have been killing also, extorting money from us, kidnapping also. Imagine SARS carrying knife. If you see any cartoon from your body, cartoon, they will use knife. SARS, Nigeria force using knife, cut people, flog people with knife, and the youth now say it is enough. Please, we no want SARS again. That become a crime. The same Nigeria government came and killed their youth in number, and do you think the blood of those people will leave you and allow you to rest? You are joking. They will haunt you until they destroy you. And do you think that we can ever forget those that laid their life for us since 1945 till date? Do you think Biafran can forget them? Their blood will haunt you down till eternity. So for you, Nigeria youth, if you expect that God go give you what you are looking for, you are an idiot. I've told you, wake up, wake up, wake up. Choose to be a man once and for all. Everybody will die someday. Choose to be a man once and for all. Carry knife, carry stick, carry iron. If you can lay hands on gun, carry. Begin to chase your problem. The Bible says that the kingdom of God suffereth violent, the violent take it by force. If you need your freedom, if you need your respect, if you need good life, You must begin violent now. And what is that violent? Pursue all the politicians. Don't let them rest. Begin to pursue any government. Oh my goodness. Should I even give you... let me leave you for your fate anyway. Back to Biafran people. I want to thank all of you that have been, supporting this freedom. I want to assure you that Nigeria is losing and they will continue to lose. We go nowhere. We have been winning and we will remain on the winning side until Biafra is fully restored. We go nowhere. Thank you very much. Do not forget that sit at home. Now, in fact, coffee is coming very closely. Although it's not going to be total lockdown, as in from 6 to 6, as a prime minister have already explained to you people, from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then from 1 o'clock you are free to go to your businesses. So please, during these 6 hours, please don't come outside if you really love your life. I take God's name beg you.
Hello, my wonderful people. You are highly welcome back. As I've watched that video and heard everything he said from Bush, that they are fully out for this noble cause and not going back on it. My people, say for this channel, we no dey conclude anything. Our own work na to bring you update of wetin dey happen, and if we bring am for you, we will leave you to decide and comment, like and share and say at your mind. Your opinion is also needed. So wetin you think wey this Biafra Liberation Army wey dey inside bush dey talk? If you support everything wey im dey talk, abeg make you recommend support. If you disagree for things wey im dey talk, abeg make you leave your opinion for comment section. Okay, we go see you for another video. Stay tuned as we dey bring you more updates.